What if I told you you don't need a high income to build wealth in America? In fact, many people start from zero and still become financially free. So, how do they do it? In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step system to go from $0 to real wealth. Make sure you watch till the end, because step 5 is where everything changes. Let's be honest, most Americans are stuck in a cycle. Earn, spend, repeat. No savings, no investments, no growth. And that's why building wealth feels impossible. But here's the truth. Wealth is not about how much you earn. It's about how you manage what you earn. Let's dive in.
Before money changes, your mindset must change. Stop thinking, I need more money to start. Start thinking, I'll manage what I have first. Because if you can't manage $100, you won't manage $10,000 either. You must know where your money is going. Track every dollar. Use a simple system like the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, and 20% for your savings. This creates control. Most people waste money without realizing it. Eating out, check your monthly subscriptions for hidden costs, and avoid the trap of impulse shopping. Cut these, and you'll instantly save more. Small changes lead to big results. Start your journey today.
Wealth creation is about what you keep and how you grow it. The truth is, you simply cannot grow wealth if your income is too low to support your dreams. That's why you need to start a side hustle like delivery or freelancing to boost your cash flow. Even an extra $500 a month can change everything. Online selling is a powerful tool. This extra income is the essential engine where true wealth is built. Don't just save that money. You must invest. Start small, but start today to build your future. Focus your efforts on index funds and ETFs for long-term stability and automatic diversification. Remember, consistency is far more important than the specific dollar amount. Before you go all in on big investing, build a safety net of 3 to 6 months of expenses. This fund protects you from life's unexpected problems. Consistency is your superpower.
Here's the truth. Anyone can build significant wealth in America. The opportunity is everywhere, waiting for those ready to take it. But most people don't stay consistent. Success is not about luck. It's about unwavering discipline over time. That is the real differentiator. Let's recap the fundamental steps you need to take right now to build your empire. These are the rules of the game. Step 1. Control your money. Stop letting it control you. You have to know exactly where every single dollar is going. Step 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. Simultaneously, focus on increasing your income through new ventures or side hustles. Step 3. Invest consistently. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The market rewards those who stay the course through every high and low. If you follow these steps with discipline, you can go from zero to total financial freedom and live life on your terms. Subscribe to DollarWise for smart money tips. Comment, I'm starting today to commit to your future. Let's grow.